Hello everyone, for today's vlog I'm going to make a channel review on how they earn on their YouTube channel. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell for my latest upload. The aim of this video is to serve an inspiration to all small YouTuber and to all viewers. Disclaimer, all digits you see are purely estimated, and for the reference, I use Social Blade, a public website which anyone can check nor access the site. I am now here in Social Blade in a YouTube channel of Barbie Forteza, and for those who don't know, Barbie Forteza is a celebrity here in Philippines. And for today's vlog, we're going to make a channel review and we're going to find out how much she earned on her YouTube channel. And as you can see, she only have 31 upload video on her YouTube channel with 1.1 something million subscriber, with 32,436,985 total video views. Country is not stated, channel type is people, user created December 31, 2017, and total grade in Social Blade is letter B. Social Blade rank is 389,819, subscriber rank of 20,358, video views rank of 166,749. There's no rank for the country as it's missing and it's not stated. And people's rank is 2,313. That's wow. And we're going to find out the monthly estimated earnings, minimum and maximum. Also her estimated yearly earning, minimum and maximum, and also her daily average, weekly average, and for the last 30 days. And for those who are not yet subscribed to Barbie Forteza, please subscribe. She is amazing, guys, and one of the good actress here in Philippines. So as you can see, her subscriber for the last 30 days is 10,000. So mababa siya ng 50% compared to the last month. And her estimated monthly earnings, minimum 118 US dollars to 1,900 US dollars. Video views for the last 30 days, she got 470,000 something. So mababa siya ng 57.8% compared to the last month. So that's why the percentage is color red. And the graph is working good, the channel is working good also, and estimated yearly earnings minimum of 1,400 US dollars to maximum of 22,600 US dollars. So i-compute natin yan kung magkano yung kanyang posibleng kitain or estimated earnings. So sa kanyang monthly estimated earnings, she have minimum estimated earnings of 118 US dollars times 48. So she got 5,664. So that is the minimum, and maximum of 1,900 US dollars times 48. So she got 91,200 pesos. So for me, it's a huge amount of money. Beside, this is only her pastime for me, because she is a celebrity, guys, and she is so busy. And we're going to find out her estimated yearly earnings. So she have 1,400 US dollars minimum estimated earnings times 48. So she got 67,200 pesos. And yung maximum niya 22,600 US dollars times 48. So she got 1,084,800 pesos. So this is not the only way on how she can earn on her YouTube channel, because she is a celebrity and her schedule, her time is precious. And yan, na-find out na natin kung magkano yung estimated earnings siya. So mataas yung 1 million na estimated earnings niya yearly. And for the next page, we're going to find out the daily average, weekly average, and for the last 30 days. So this is not bad yung kanyang estimated earnings. And in this page you can see the summary statistic, and you can see the estimated earnings, video views, subscribers, and date of generating income ni Barbie Forteza. So mabababa yung kanyang estimated earnings kasi she is not that active on her YouTube channel, and I guess this is only her pastime, but congratulations to her, she got million of followers. And I think they are focusing to the boyfriend's channel. Anyway, so ayan yung kanyang daily average. So meron siyang 334 subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel with 15,685 total video views, with minimum estimated earnings of $4 to $63 US. So that is only estimated earnings daily, and weekly average of 2,300 something subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel, and 109,795 total video views, and estimated minimum earnings of $27 to $439 US. That would be weekly average, guys. And for the last 30 days she gained 10,000 subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel with 470,537 total video views, with minimum $118 to maximum of $1,900 US. And yun yung mga estimated earnings niya na na-compute natin sa taas kanina dun sa first page, and we already find out how much is that into pesos. So yeah, so for me that is a huge amount of money. So since I am a small YouTuber and making different channel review on different big YouTuber or blogger, and she is also a TikToker, and what else? Yes, I saw her on her TikTok. And for the next page we're going to check out her monthly gain video views, and as you can see there is a graph, the dot in there. All you have to do is to click the dot and it will gonna pop up the total video views for monthly. Ayan, so that was February, January, March, December. So that is the highest point, which is she gained millions of views, and same with the subscribers. So the graph for subscriber is same as the video views of Barbie Forteza. And we find out the subscriber who subscribed to her YouTube channel for the last 30 days. She got 50,000, and so on and so forth. So I made this vlog to inspire small YouTuber and to all the viewers who are planning or have planned to enter YouTube industry. So that's for today's video, guys, and thank you for watching and keep safe everyone. Bye bye.